Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, kindly subscribe. Please like, share and don't forget to leave a comment in the comments section.
How to make cinnamon ice cream with electric ice cream machine. Contains 2,584 calories. Ingredients needed. 1 egg yolk. 2 half cup of sugar. 3 1 to 2 tablespoon of cinnamon, or to satisfaction. 4 1 cup of half and half cream. 5 1 cup of heavy cream. 6 half tablespoon of vanilla. How to make cinnamon ice.
If you're still watching, thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe, share, like and leave a comment. Feel free to ask questions.